Namaskar. Today I am going to tell you about Kartika Shukla Ekadashi Vrat. This Vrat is also called as Prabodhini. The story about this Ekadashi Vrat comes in Skanda Mahapurana. Brahmadeva explains about the importance of this Ekadashi Vrat to Devarshi Narad. On this Vrat, you have to be on complete fasting. Not only fasting, you have to spend whole Ekadashi night in Vishnu Stuti, Vishnu Bhajan. Complete fasting, and also you have to spend the night, whole night awake, doing bhajans. You must not sleep. Then only you will get the good results of this Ekadashi Vrat. What is the importance of this Ekadashi Vrat? Many of you have heard or you have experienced that sometimes your horoscopes, though they are really good, they don't work or they don't give the expected results. Though you have very good Raja Yogas and many other yogas, many of the people have come to me with this complaint that though their horoscope is really good, they are not getting good results. Why is it so? The main reasons behind such a result that your horoscope is not working, the main reasons are Guru Shapa, Deva Shapa, Brahma Shapa, Stri Shapa, Vag Dosha, Preta Dosha, Abhichara Dosha, Sarpa Dosha. When such doshas are there, maybe in your family, or it is done by you, or by your elders, or by your ancestors. Under such conditions, your horoscope will not work. It will not give you the proper results. So, what can be done regarding such doshas? See, when these doshas are there, many astrologers, after seeing the horoscope, say that you are having Pitru dosha, you are having Brahma Shapa, you are having Guru Shapa, and it is there in your family. And for that doshas, collectively, all the people of the family have to do the solutions. So, it requires the unity of the family, and sometimes it is not possible. All the members of the family may not agree with you. So, what can be done? Alone, what you can do to remove such doshas? The answer is this Ekadashi Vrat, Kartika Shukla Ekadashi Vrat, Prabodhini Ekadashi Vrat. By observing this Ekadashi Vrat, such doshas which are there in your family and you are facing problems due to such doshas, they will be removed. On this Ekadashi Vrat, you have to be on complete fasting and you have to spend your time in Vishnu Bhajan, Vishnu Stuti, Vishnu Sahasranama. You can do Parayana of Ramayana, you can do Harivamsha Parayana, Harivamsha Purana Parayana. All those things which are related to Mahavishnu, especially in this Prabodhini Ekadashi Vrat, the avatars of Lord Krishna. You know that 10 avatars are there. If you read the story about these 10 avatars, it will be really good. Because on this Ekadashi Vrat, we have to know about Lord Krishna, Lord Mahavishnu. And after completing this Ekadashi Vrat, that is on the day of Dwadashi. I told you that you have to be on complete fasting on this Ekadashi Vrat and you have to spend the night awake. You must not sleep. You must not sleep on this Ekadashi Vrat. And on the day of Dwadashi morning, after completing your all deeds, you must do charity to the needy, to the Brahmins. Then only this Vrat will be completed. So, those who have a doubt in their mind, or those who have heard from the astrologers that you have such and such doshas in your family, that's why you are not getting the good results of your horoscope, please do observe this Prabodhini Ekadashi Vrat. It will be very useful to you. You have to visit, if possible, visit Vishnu temples, do Vishnu Sahasranama, read Vishnu Stotras, and if possible, read Ramayana, read Harivamsha Purana. All such things will help you. And after the completion of the Vrat, do charity to the needy people and to the Brahmins also. Almost all the Vratas will give you very good results when you do charity with those Vratas. So, charity is an important part of all the Vratas, especially Ekadashi Vrat. So, please do observe this Ekadashi Vrat, those who are in trouble, especially due to the family issues or due to such and such doshas. Not only that, those who have done Gohatyadi dosha, those who have Gohatya Papa dosha, or you have done anything bad to animals, if you have hurt the animals, they can also do this Ekadashi Vrat because it will help you also. So, by observing this Prabodhini Ekadashi Vrat, minimize the bad effects of Guru Shapa, Brahma Shapa, Gohatyadi Papa dosha and all other doshas which I have told you earlier. Please subscribe this channel for more videos and press the bell button. Namaste.